when it is necessary to change wheel set on the wagon, Freight Train Examination Yard, South Central Railway, Vijayawada has developed a special gadget to change the wheel set in situ on formation in the yard itself, thus avoiding shunting movements and extra detention to wagon. Procedure of changing wheel set of a wagon without detaching from formation. Equipment required for wheel changing. Wheel set, wheel changing gadget which comprise wheel carrier, traversing guide, gadget bridge, forklift, 20-ton hydraulic jack and wheel skids. Before lifting the wagon, danger board to displayed on the line which formation placed. Secure the wagon with wheel skids. New retainers is to be provided if there is no retainer on the center pivot pin. For the free movement of wheel set, while removing from the wagon, remove the SAB pull rod pin and secure the pull rod. Secure the adapter and EM pad. Remove SF key. Provide packing between bolster and bogie frame. Place the traversing guide between the rail. Place the gadget bridge parallel to traversing guides. Place the wheel carrier on the traversing guide. Lift the wagon to required level with 20-ton hydraulic jack. Slowly push the wheel set on the wheel carrier. Lift the wheel set with screw rod on wheel carrier. Slowly pull out the wheel carrier along with defective wheel set. Remove that wheel set from the gadget and place new wheel set with the help of forklift. Push the wheel carrier beneath the wagon along with wheel set. Place the wheel set on the track with the help of screw rod and push it beneath the bogie. Lower the wagon by slowly releasing the jacks. Provide SF keys and SAB pull rod pin. Remove the wheel carrier, traversing guides, gadget bridge. Remove jacks, packing and wheel skids. Remove the danger board.